How much do you need to spend on camera equipment if you want to start adding good quality photographs and video to your website or social media? Well, Hoya Nature Spa here have gone for a small drone camera, but they've also got what looks like a professional video photographer to come in and shoot their spa resort, and it looks really good. Okay, you don't have to go that expensive, because that equipment and that professional expertise is expensive, because what you can use is your mobile phone. Now obviously these images are fantastic quality. The images on here are pretty good too. Also on the Instagram site here, well, there's a piece of video which is just shot with a mobile phone. The great thing about the mobile phone is we've all got one in our pocket, so it's really cheap, and because you've got it with you all the time, anything can happen, like you see a flight of birds going over or a beautiful sunset and you just get that picture because you've got it with you all the time. Okay, so here's the thing about mobile phones. The camera on your mobile phone is brilliant. The microphone on your mobile phone is rubbish. And you can't shoot good quality video with bad quality sound. We just can't watch it. So if you're going to start using your smartphone to get good video, you're going to have to think about the sound. You've got two options. Your first option is whenever you record somebody, say there's a musician playing outside your restaurant, or the chef is going to tell us what she's doing this week with new ingredients. Okay, you're going to record some sound. Get the camera as close to the person who's speaking or the sound as you possibly can, so the microphone's picking up as close as you can get it. Okay. It's really difficult to get good sound, especially outdoors, on these microphones. So what you can do instead is you can actually spend a bit of money on this. This is like a mobile phone microphone, plugs into your smartphone either by the headphone cable or by an adapter. Okay, and then you can record decent quality sound, and it's got a windshield, so you can record outdoors without it being all muffled. But in order to hold it all in place, you need one of these. And this is a filming rig. So basically what you do is you put your smartphone into the rig and you put your microphone on the top. And now suddenly you've got a little setup here where you can hold the camera steady. You can go outdoors and film when it's windy. You still need to get the microphone close. It's a better microphone, but it can't zoom. You can zoom on a camera, you cannot zoom on a microphone. You need to get the microphone close to the person you're talking to. But it's a much better setup. You will get good pictures and good sound by using this. The other thing about it is you can stick it on top of a tripod. So you can put the camera somewhere, and then you can come around in front of it and talk to the camera if you want to. Or you can put it there and do time-lapse, if that's what you're going to do. Okay, so it opens up a whole range of possibilities. It's not that expensive. The microphone's anywhere between £50 to £200. The better you can afford, the better it'll be. These rigs, €20. Tripod, €30. It really is not that expensive. So you can use this. Now, a question you may have is, okay, well, when I'm filming, should I be filming like an old person filming this way or a teenager filming this way? But it kind of depends what you're filming for. So, okay, Instagram likes vertical video and square. So Instagram you can do, yep, vertical or square. If you are filming something to use on YouTube, right, well, it should be landscape. And YouTube is often easiest to embed into your website. So, okay, you film that way. And if you're filming for TikTok, it's all that way. So it depends. Where you want to put the video determines how you shoot the video. If you're not sure, or if you think you might want to do both, yeah, you want to do a bit of TikTok and a bit of Instagram and a bit of YouTube, okay, well, film it once, like that. Film it again, like that.